Allow your feet to stay hips width distance. We'll come into staggered Vasisthasana. However, this time we'll shift our weight towards our left hand and place our right hand onto our block so that we have our block in hand and ready. Kick your heels towards your left into a staggered Vasisthasana as you lift the block up towards the sky with your right hand. Keep a hold of your block as you shift back into plank and reach your right arm across your body, coming onto the balls of your feet. Slowly inhale, rising back up into staggered Vasisthasana. Exhale, run your right arm across your body. We'll do this one last time. Inhale and exhale. And plant your block down onto the floor, coming back into plank. We'll shift our weight forward, take a vinyasa, lower slowly. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Take a big inhale to hold at the very top. And exhale, side out. Inhale, shift forward to plank. We'll take the other side, left side. Have your feet hips width distance, drawing your sternum forward. From here, shift your weight towards your right hand, grabbing a hold of the block on your left with your left hand. Kick your heels towards your right for staggered Vasisthasana. Reach your left arm up with your block. Grab a hold of your block, stay or keep your block in your left hand as you come back into plank and reach your left arm across your body, coming back onto the balls of our feet. And inhale, coming back into staggered Vasisthasana blocka. Exhale, left arm across your body. We'll take this 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. And exhale.